Crypto Bros, this is a new episode and a new series on this channel where we're gonna try to turn 500 USD into as much as possible using BitGet copy trading. If you haven't seen already, I'm leaving you a link right here to the first series of trying to turn 1000 into as much as possible on BitGet copy trading. But the first series didn't go so well. We actually liquidated that entire account, but we have the experience and we're gonna try once again with this new series. So this is the first episode. Make sure to subscribe and like just to get informed when I release the next episodes. Before we start, if you are interested in BitGet copy trading and if you don't have a BitGet account, make sure to use the link down below in the description of this video. That gets you to this site, Crypto Costa X BitGet, and you get up to 4000 USD trading bonus and 50 USD coupon. So why not use it? Under my video, you have a link to this site, and if you sign up, you get several bonuses. So the main reason why we liquidated the previous account was that the traders that I've chosen, we were opening multiple trades, right? And what happens? They basically open multiple trades just to get as much commission as possible, right? Because every time the traders open a trade, they get a commission, right? So in this series, we're gonna change the strategy. And yes, we are starting with 500 USD. We're gonna try to turn it to as much as possible, but we're gonna change the strategy. So if I see that there is a copy trader that's opening multiple positions basically in the same time, I'm gonna basically unfollow them and leave only the best performing traders. There's also a possibility to add more traders in upcoming videos. Why not? This is open. We're gonna do everything to get as much profit as possible. So look at this, all right? We are starting, like you can see, this is a new account, zero copy trade capital, zero copy net profit. And I'm gonna choose in this video 5 copy traders. We're gonna try to copy them and see in the next episode where we are and trying to turn it as high as possible. So right now I'm gonna try to find different traders and I'm gonna back once I find good performing. And this is how I'm looking for them. Basically, I look for a good performance, long-term trade. Also, I look at copiers, profit and losses. If there is a low copiers PNL, there's no sense basically in my opinion, but it's up to you. Once again, guys, I'm not telling you to follow any of traders that I show you on this channel in this video. Make sure to do your own research. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, all right? So let me get back to you once I find a good performing traders. All right, so I have first 5 traders that I'm gonna follow. I just followed this one, and the only reason why I followed him is there was only one slot. I was like, let's risk this, right? So right now, like you can see, he's full. Once again, I'm not telling you to follow any of them. So this is his performance. Actually, the volume is quite good. This is the last 3 weeks of PNL ratio and total income last month. All right, could be better, but still, it's not so bad. Total accumulation followers is 3,600. ROI is 1.2000%. The next one is this one. So I'm following all the traders. So for each trader, I'm sacrificing 100 USD, and there is going to be around 20 to 30% stop loss and like 70-80% take profit, right? So this is the second one. Like you can see, the volume is quite good as well. The total income is really good for this trader. Let's follow him. All right. The next one is this one. Like you can see, the total income is also quite good. Position duration, volume also quite good. I mean, it's not so much. It's only like 8K, 4K, 18K, but still it's good. We can risk it, right? The next one is this one. Like you can see, this is his total income performance over the last 3 weeks. Position duration and the volume is way higher compared to the previous one. And the last one is this one. Like you can see, 3 weeks performance, total volume and position duration looks like this. I'm gonna follow all of them right now and get back to you when everything is set up. Also, I'm actually gonna show you the following process. Like you can see, this is how I'm doing this. I'm gonna try using 20% stop loss ratio and around 80 to 70% take profit, and the maximum follow is gonna be 100 USD, and boom, confirm, and it's already followed. I'm doing the same for all traders. All right, so everything is set up. These are my traders. Follow information is like this. So everywhere is 100 USD, BTC. All the coins are allowed. Zero history because I just opened this. This is basically all, right? Right now, also remember, you need to have it. If you want it to actually work, you need to have the USDT on your USDT M account, right? So I'm gonna transfer this right now. So now the old traders are set up. We're gonna see how they perform. In the next video, I will upload you with everything. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. No, take care of your trades, and I'll catch you in the next one.